there. And I'm just going to advance this.
And you check the measurement before you put it in.
What's that?
You check the measurement then after that.
Yeah, but this is a pretty deep hole, so I'm not going to really hurt it by going all the way in. I do got to worry about getting too many chips in there. So I got to...
Do that again. I'm just messing around.
Good. All right.
Look at that.
On a cold winter day in Washington, New Jersey, at the School of Woodwork.
Wow, take a turning class from Bob. It's awesome.
Taking a turning class from Bob. We got a nice hunk of sycamore here
Look at that.
and a beautiful piece of box elder here. So we got Robert and Paul here underneath the success sign. What do you guys think? How was that day?
Unbelievable.
It was unbelievable. We came in knowing nothing, and now we know
And
something.
we know a little bit more than nothing. Bob's a great instructor. Highly recommend New Jersey School of Woodwork.
Cool. So we're going to rub this in for about 10 minutes and get these guys going. So Robert's here from Georgia. He's coming. He came up to hang out with his buddy Paul for a while.
This guy came from California.
Yeah, the other guy came from California. Yeah, he's still working on his bowl.
I'm coming in this great class.
Yeah.
Look, I wanted to be different, so I
Yeah,
had
we
to
got-
have a little
we got a different design.
unique
We got a-
design for the feet.
We got a 3-foot
Have
bowl
all-
there.
Yeah,
Made that a little
always
bit different.
Look at that. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Bob is a master.
Thank you.
Enjoy the class with Bob.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
When you look in a dictionary and it says lathe God. That's
Oh yeah, that's a little stretch, but thank you.
Okay, now he won't believe it.
Cool. Thanks, guys.